Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Korean glass skin glow. First, start by cleansing your skin properly with a gentle face wash. Next, apply an ampule serum evenly on your face. After that, use a tube face mask and apply it all over your face. While the mask is on, prepare a glass of fresh vegetable juice and drink it completely. It's amazing for a natural glow. Then, take a vitamin E and vitamin C tablet, which are super beneficial for your skin. Finally, once the mask time is up, gently peel it off. And that's it. Your skin will look fresh, healthy, and glowing. Just like Korean glass skin. Take 2 frozen cucumbers from the fridge. 2. Gently grate them and apply on your face slowly. 1. After that, I cleaned my face with water. 2. Then, I applied a rice face pack and washed it off again. 3. My skin already started looking fresh. 4. Next, I picked up my moisturizer and applied it gently all over my face. 5. With the help of a gua sha, I gave my face a perfect texture. 6. After that, I applied a pink cream to my face. 7. Finally, I put on a rubber mask, and after removing it.
10分钟。
8. My glowy, magical skin was ready. Good morning. At 7 a.m., I start my day by gently removing last night's face mask. Then, I apply a fresh jelly foam mask with a soft brush. It feels so refreshing. While the mask sets, I make myself a healthy juice from fresh vegetables and fruit. Next, pour it into a massaging machine and enjoy on my stomach to relax and boost energy for the day. Time to peel off the mask, slowly and gently, leaving my skin clean and smooth. I apply foundation and a touch of blush, blending it perfectly with a puff. And finally, for that soft pink glow, I finish with a refreshing face mist.